Welcome to our tutorial about the mirror tool. Let's begin by activating the sketch. Okay, let's activate the circle tool. We're going to create a circle about here. Exit the sketch. Activate the extrude command. And click OK. Now let's scroll down the panel bar and activate the mirror tool. I'm going to select the feature that I just created. The mirror plane, I'll use the XZ plane. OK. Now let's activate the mirror tool again. I'll select the entire part. The mirror line will be this face. And I click OK. Let's activate the mirror tool one more time. The mirror plane will be this face. Click OK. And as you can see, the mirror tool is yet another simple but very powerful tool in building your part. This concludes our tutorial about the mirror tool.